There are three types of persons. Number one, who always find positive things even in the negative run. There are people who always find negative things even in very positive, great things. And there are silent spectators who never say anything. There is a debate that India is not progressing. To counter this debate, we have to see the data. What data speaks? This is our 20th video on the indicators of Indian economy. This video talks about India's fifth largest economy, भारत पांचवी सबसे बड़ी अर्थव्यवस्था. Forbes India. They published their report on September 13, 2023 and ranked the countries based on the GDP, gross domestic products, in US dollars billions. They also calculated the GDP per capita, USD thousands. Number one stands United States of America with the GDP 26,854 USD billion dollars, and its per capita, that is per person GDP, is 80,000 US dollars. China comes the second number with 19,374 USD billion dollars, with per capita income 13,720 per capita income. India stands fifth, 3,740 USD billion dollars, with per capita income 2,600. Now, if we see Japan and Germany, they are just above. And government, its parties, they say that we are going to reach 5 trillion, that is 5,000 US billion dollars economy. There is not much distance and it is achievable. We have already taken over in this race United Kingdom, France, Italy, Canada, Brazil. Canada is now at the 9th place, Brazil 10th place. And there was a time we were below Brazil. 10 years ago, we were below Brazil, and during this 10 years' time, we have crossed 5 countries and reached 3,740 USD billion dollars. And the speed with which we are going now, it is not going to take much time to reach 5 trillion dollar economy. But there are many things which we have to observe. India was the 10th largest economy in 2014 with a per capita income of 79,118 rupees. India is now 5th largest economy in the world with 3,740 billion USD, with per capita income of 2,600 US dollars, meaning 2,15,800 rupees. So our income in 10 years has increased from 79,000 to 2,15,000. Now, if we reach 5 trillion economy, third in the world, which is not a difficult task now, our per capita income will be 3,571 US dollars, which will be equivalent to 2,96,393 rupees at present exchange rate. See, population. Now, India's population is 140 crores. If we divide this 5 trillion economy with 140 crores, so then we arrive at this figure. Even if we cross the US economy, which is 26,854 billion US dollars, per capita income will be 19,181, which will be equivalent to 15,92,058 rupees at present level. Now the debate starts whether the population is our strength or weakness. See, economy rises with consumption. Now, population has become our strength. Many say population has become our strength. And we have got the young population. More than 65% people, they are working people, they are below 35. So, our income is going to rise. Government policies, if they support, then this income will go on further rising, and there is not going to be any difficult time to attain it. $5 trillion, $6 trillion, $7 trillion, and we will come in the top three. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next video on a new indicator. Thank you.